Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmad Uddin and I am O-Levels Pakistan Studies teacher. Today we are going to discuss about the syllabus of history and the marking scheme of different types of questions. So in the beginning we are going to discuss this file first about this one. Here, Cambridge O-Levels, Pakistan Studies Syllabus 2059. In Pakistan Studies, two sort of paper comes. Paper 1, History and Culture of Pakistan. Paper 2, The Environment of Pakistan. Today, we are going to discuss paper 1 only. It has three sections. Section A, Culture and Historical Background to the Pakistan Movement. Emergence of Pakistan from 1906 till 1947, and then after creation of Pakistan, nationhood from 1947 to 1999. Now come to words about what is asked in it. It is the detailed syllabus of history. Five chapters are in each section. Remember, these are the sections of syllabus, not the sections of paper. Mind it. Now go forward. Now come towards the paper. In the paper of history, you are supposed to answer three questions. Here, first question has four parts A, B, C, D, and section B, you will have to attempt two questions out of four. Question 2, question 3, question 4, and question 5. In section B, each question has four parts A, B, and C. On next page, we will discuss about the marking criteria of different parts. Look here, in section A, you have four parts. Part A about 3 marks. You have 5 minutes to solve it. Part B has 5 marks and you have to attempt it in 5 minutes also. Part C has 7 marks. It has 10 minutes. You have been given. And part 4, you have 15 minutes. Sum of all, you have 25 minutes to solve one question. As you have to attempt 3 questions, each question has, first question has 4 parts and then move towards forward. Section B, you have to attempt 2 questions out of 4. You have 4 questions in section B and here you will have to attempt 2 questions from section B. Each question has 3 parts. A about 4 marks, you can see here. B about 7 marks and C about 14 marks. In 4-mark question, you will have to give two things about 2 facts and 2 developing statements. In part B, you are going to ask about reasons why, means explain it about why this thing is happening. And remember, when we talk about why, it means what happened before. For example, if two guys fought and you have to go to the principal and principal asks why did they fight, so you will inform them what had happened and because of why fight started, not what was going on in the fight. In section, you can say about part C, it is 14-mark question. You will have to explain it and give the effects of what had happened in that event. So here's a specimen paper with marking scheme. I'm again writing down the same thing, answer three questions, question A compulsory. It come from anywhere else and it is become compulsory in history. Session B, you have to attempt two questions as I had said before. Look here, in session A, part A, they have given you source, saying of someone, and you are supposed to write down facts from there. Here, reward each correct statement with 1 mark. You have not to write out each and everything you know about it. Just take out 2 to 3 points to score good marks. In source B, you have been given picture. In picture, they are asking you about what is shown. It is called, what is shown, it is called supported fact. And unsupported fact, why about why it is happened, why people are moving in this way. It shows what? Here you can say about it. Identify surface feature, you can see the people. Okay, fine. You score 1 mark out of 5. If you can write down some description about the photograph, about unsupported interference. Lot of people moving from one place to another place. It looks dangerous. It is called supported facts. Unsupported facts and move towards supported facts. It means that why they are leaving their home, why they are moving from one place to another place. You're supposed to inform about it. Session C about why did Pakistan join the UN in 1947. We'll have to explain reasons to gain marks. Good marks. About part D, you have, you have to supposed to understand about what is asked, what is the demand of part D part. Here, look at question first, then discuss further how successful was Qaeda in establishing the new Pakistan in 47. Explain your answer. When we talk about any ruler, he had some successes and he might have some unsuccessful efforts too. You will have to explain both of them. If any person explains only success or only failure, who could not score good marks, here you can see the marks. Explain successes or explain failure, 5 to 7 marks. He had stood on level 3. But when he talks about success and failure both, it means he can score 8 to 9 marks. But wait, look here. About level 5, he's supposed to give judgment. Was he become successful or not? And just describe one thing in it. He can score very high marks. Now move towards section B. As I said in the beginning, in section B, you are supposed to write down 2 questions. Each question contains 3 sections. We're going to do 3 parts. Section A about 4 marks, section B about 7 marks, section C about 14 marks. Now, what is required in 4 mark question? There, they wanted to, here, look here, reward each credit statement with 1 mark. It means he needs 2 marks for statement and 2 marks for developing statements to develop them. As like here, first to discuss about part A, come downward. Here we are now. Example here, what do you know about Shah Waliullah? You're supposed to write down 2 facts. He was born in 1703. He was a Muslim reformer who wished to drive Islam in subcontinent. Here, 2 facts are over. If you write down other points, he taught in Madrasa Rahimia, he went for Hajj, studied in Saudi Arabia. It is okay, but you cannot score marks because you have just 2 marks about the facts, not more than it. Now, move towards developing statements. Here, he wrote 2 Muslim sects by writing book Khalifatul Khulfa. Make some space here. Khalifatul Khulfa. Writing the statement, you have shown his work. You can score 1 more mark. Another thing, he write it. Another thing, he translated Quran into Persian. That can do what? That can understand them, the main teaching of Islam. Side by side, I've added one more point. He called Ahmad Shabdali to defeat Marathas here. It's a pattern of part A in section B. Move towards part B. You'll have to identify 2 to 3 reasons. Here, come towards the questions first. Look here. Why the Mughal Empire declined for the region of Aurangzeb? We'll have to explain the reasons. But what is the pattern here? Move towards again there. Why did Shahrullah have such an important influence on revival of Islam? Here you will have to give a statement first, then explain it, and then give the example of it. It is a requirement of one paragraph inside. Then you will have to write down another paragraph, paragraph 2, do the same thing, statement, explanation, and then exam. Then move towards paragraph 3 and do the same thing. Paragraph 3. The same thing, but remember, in history, to make write down paragraph number or slide heading is not allowed in CI. Inshallah, next class we'll discuss about part C, how to write down explain question about 14 marks. Thank you. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. If you have any question, you can write down any query. My number is 0321 3733466. Thank you. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.